wherever you go, application follows. Wherever you find applications, machine learning follows. So what is machine learning and how to learn machine learning? If you're just, I think everyone home or everyone house, you have this kind of tool, right? The voice assistant, right? Right from your mobile, everything is, you are accessing it. This is an Alexa product from Amazon Echo products, right? This has a lot of algorithms. This has natural language processing algorithm. This is nothing but a machine learning algorithm. In machine learning itself, it is one of the product category, right? It is coming under the deep learning module. So it is nothing but a natural language processing. In natural language processing, there are set of rules to follow how to learn or how you are giving training for this kind of devices, because it is always listening to you in your home, right? It is always listening to your voice, and that means it is continuously listening, means it is continuously getting trained. So that means wherever you are just seeing this kind of an application, there are a huge amount of data is involved, and also the training is involved. And how we are learning by ourselves, because we are just observing the world, we are just learning by our mistakes, we are just learning from the teachers, learning from the textbooks, learning from a lot of books, lot of movies, right? Even nowadays, a lot of application is there. Through videos, you are getting learning so much, right? And how to learn this, AI, ML? Because this is interesting field. Not only interesting field, whatever, without AI impact, you will not be able to do anything in future. This has a future, and future is here in AI and ML. And I am there for in this field around 7 years in AI ML itself, and total years of experience 23 years in the software industry. And now I'm just traveling across India, and I have trained more than 15,000 students across India, right? Only on AI and ML. So what is there and how to learn these basics of AI and ML? The first things first, anyone can learn AI. First thing, anyone, there is no restrictions. There is no restriction of arts and science students. There is no restrictions of only engineering students can learn this. Nothing. Anyone can learn machine learning. Don't hesitate to ask this kind of a question to anyone. Anyone can learn. That is number one. The number two is you have to open up your mind. Yes, if I want to learn these things, what should I need to do? Right? This is where the point comes in. The point is, the Python is the most widely used programming language for machine learning, right? So the first thing is you have to open mind, and the next thing is Python is the programming language you have to learn, and the third thing is you have to learn how to deal with the data. This is very specific, right? Specific in the sense, in our day-to-day activity itself, you have some analytical skill that is required, right? That means you have, if you have been given 100 rupees, you are just submitting what are the product or items you are just buying, and you are just buying the items, and you are just giving some, the rest of the amount to home, or you just keep it yourself, right? That is kind of the transaction is happening, and that transaction, it is just you are aware of those transactions. You are aware of those analytical skills, which product you should buy, which product you should not buy. That is enough. That is kind of playing around the data. Right? The next thing is basic mathematics, statistics. That is enough. And the fourth thing is machine learning algorithm. That machine learning algorithm, we are going to teach, that is linear regression model, simple linear regression. In regression itself, there are so many regressions, and then classification models, natural language processing model, artificial neural network, convolutional neural network, there are so much of models, there are so much of algorithms, right? This is the fourth one. The fifth one is data visualization. For data visualization, there are so much software you will be able to learn, and only these five things are enough. This is how we have to learn. The rest of the information, I will be able to teach you, or I will be able to discuss with you a lot of other information. How to open up your mind and how to start learning, putting action towards machine learning, right? Just wait for it sometimes, and you will be getting those information. Thank you so much.